Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Messenger story not showing issue. So here follow the steps. First of all, press and hold the Messenger app icon and click on uninstall and confirm it. Now open Google Chrome and in search type Messenger older version up to down and then click on older version of Messenger Android from the search result. Scroll down. Now download the August 2 version, tap on it, scroll down, then click on download, click on download anyway. Now once it gets downloaded, you have to install it, so click on it, click on install, and now you can open and you can see that Messenger story not working problem has been fixed. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and subscribe to my channel, share this video and hit the bell icon to get the latest updates. Thank you.